Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Russell update for you guys. Russell fell below 6 mil, but the chart overall still intact. If you take a look at the all chart on CoinMarketCap, you can see Russell has made a higher low. It's not falling as much anymore. It looks like this is where the floor is. This area, the 5 mil to 10 mil area, is where the floor has been established for Russell. So that is bullish. And again, I'm bullish on Brian Armstrong's pet dog, man. It's the same setup like we saw with Toshi. Toshi got to $1 billion market cap. So like I said, guys, 100,000 Russell right now is $578, right? And again, you're $579. You're not gonna break the bank here. If you lose that, if you're wrong, well, guess what? You invest in an amount that shouldn't put you in debt, right? If $579 is gonna put you in debt, you may need to go get a job, okay? You may need to leave wherever you're working, or learn to budget better. But $579 should not put you in debt, and that's 100,000 Russell tokens. So with that 100,000 Russell, it goes to $1 billion market cap. From here, you have 6 figures, right? It goes to five. Let's be conservative, and it just does half of that, right? It goes to 500 mil market cap. That's 50K. Let's be even more conservative. It goes to 300 mil market cap. That's 30K from $579. Let's be even more conservative. Let's say Russell does a white whale on Solana. One of the biggest movers on Solana recently, because again, all the liquidity, all the money, all the retail is on Solana, right? Hopefully eventually the same moves we see on Solana comes to base chain. I think that is going to be the case soon, right? With the base app, etc. So we just have to be patient until our time comes. But if you take a look at white whale on Solana, that got to 200 mil market cap. So if Russell gets to 200 mil market cap, that $579 you put in for 100,000 tokens becomes 20K. Are you going to be mad at 20K? I wouldn't be mad at 20K. Why? Because I could reinvest the 20K. Now I got 20K to invest into the market. Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. 5 times 5 is 25. So now, okay, so 5 times 4 is 20, right? So you could put 5K in 4 projects with that 20K. And imagine one of them hits and does a 10x. Boom, now you got 50K. The other 3 fail, but now you got 3, maybe 2. Not even the other 3 fail. Let's say, be more optimistic. 2 of them are successful. One of them just does a 5x on your 5K. Now you got an extra 25K from the 20K. Another one does a 10x and does 5K becomes 50K. Right? One of them fails, and then maybe the third one does a 100x, and 5K becomes 500K. It's all possible in the crypto space. This is why I'm called Crypto Spaces and not stock spaces or gold and silver spaces. Okay, so so here we have MB. Okay, Confluence here. He's a Joe holder. There's a meme coin on Ethereum that is very strong called Joe. He also got in DRB at the lows. He's eating right now. I'm so mad at myself for not getting back into DRB. Because it's doing extremely well. But what can you do, man? I got some exposure, around the 20-something mil market cap level. I'm not perfect, guys, So DRB is doing extremely well. Like I said, you see this move it's about to make right here. This is a good case study. So when DRB breaks this high, let's see how high it goes, because as you can see, it's about to break its previous high, right? So once it breaks its previous high, we'll see how high it goes. Maybe it goes to 100 mil. Maybe it goes to $1 billion market cap. That's possible, right? I'm telling you, when you have those 90% drawdowns and the coin is able to go on to make a new high, just like Murad says, you're going to see fireworks. So DRB is in that spot where it's about to do those fireworks, because it's literally about to break the high. So as you can see right here with Russell, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a break of this previous high. Once that happens, you see that the fireworks, right? And again, so MB, who was positioned in DRB at the lows, probably going to make millions from that DRB trade. So congrats to him in advance, right? He says he thinks this is a pretty good spot to add to your Russell bag, especially if Bitcoin breaks above 94K for good. Bangwall, good time to buy Russell, 1 billion market cap soon. See, oh man, that's beautiful. Should I use this as a thumbnail? Yeah, this is beautiful right here. I like this. Nice move up, break the previous high. You see this? Once it breaks the previous high, enters parabola, and massive drawdown, because a lot of people are going to take profits at around 60 mil, which is realistic. and then from 60 mil we pull back, we go up to 110 mil, and then we probably pull back at 100 mil because that's a psychological level, and then we come back down, and then we go up to maybe 400 mil, right? So like that TA from Bagnall there. Somebody did a little Russell edit, put in the keyframes of Russell on all these other dark coins to be defeating Pepe and all the troll and all these other memes. Okay, Apu, chill guy, whiff, okay, rage guy, sheep. Okay, I like it. That's bullish. And from Board Richer. Oh, this was a while ago. That's a while ago. That's a little old. Alright, Jan 12th, bought another 1% of Russell last couple weeks, telling you it's going to 1 billion plus. I wish I had 1%, man. If y'all watching, man, and y'all want to donate some Russell, closed mouths don't get fed, y'all. If y'all want to donate some Russell, man, just comment down below. I want to donate some Russell so I can send you a wallet. Oh my gosh. But yeah, accumulating bought another 1%. So they already had 1%. They bought another 1%. So that's what was the price on the 12th? Well, that's like a couple days ago, right? So that was like 6 mil mark. So they got 120K in Russell right now, and they got the target of $1 billion, right? So 120K, 1% of the supply is like 1% of the supply is 10 million coins. So 20 million coins, and it goes to $1. Russell goes to $1. That's $20 million, right? It's only possible in crypto. If you are in Whiff and Bonk and Popcat, Fartcoin, AI16Z, Geo Bowden, Pepe, Turbo, Toshi. What else? Give me an SPX 6900. Mog. I'm going through all the memes that hit $1 billion, guys. See how much hit $1 billion in 2024? God bless 2024, man. I pray 2026 is like that. Goatsius, Maximus, Zero Bro, Griffane. What else hit $1 billion? Moodeng almost hit $1 billion. Chill Guy almost hit $1 billion. They got to 700 mil a piece, right? What's it called? Fwag got to 700 million. Man, there were so many coins that got to close to $1 billion market cap. That's crazy, huh? That's crazy, man. Those market conditions were insane. So I pray those come back, man. But if Russell pulls one of those, you see how much it has, how much case studies we have that memes outperform. And I already gave you guys the case studies of dog coins that outperformed, right? So like 10 dog coins went to billions, right? So like I said, I think $1 billion is possible. I really do think so. So if you invest right now, maybe for example, you feel like, oh, I'm on edge, I'm emotional. When Russell does pull like a 2-3x, you take your initials with some profits, leave in the moon bag, and then let the moon bag go to Valhalla, man. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate all the support. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.